Hello friends, now we are going to start our next chapter, which is multiplication and division of integer. Last class we solved some examples of integers in addition and subtraction. Some rules we learned in last class, like when we add two positive integer, that time answer also positive, and when we add two negative integer, that time answer will also negative. And one more rule we learn, that one integer is positive and second integer is negative. At that time answer is sign of greater integer. This much we learn in last class. Now in this class we move forward little bit one step. We learn how to multiply integer with two symbols which are positive and negative. Yes, there are also some rules for addition, multiplication. When the first one is when a positive integer multiplied by positive integer. Positive integer multiplied by positive integer gives a positive integer. 4 2s are 8. Here 4 and 2 both are positive integer. When we multiply both integer, that time answer will also be positive. Second thing, a positive integer multiplied by negative integer. A positive integer multiplied by negative integer, like 4 multiplied by negative 2, answer is negative 8. It means positive integer multiplied by negative integer gives negative. Third rule, a negative integer multiplied by positive integer. A negative integer multiplied by positive integer. Here negative 4 multiplied by 2, answer also negative 8. And last one, a negative integer multiplied by negative integer. Negative 4 multiplied by negative 2, answer is positive 8. Means in short, positive integer into positive integer, answer is positive. Positive integer multiplied by negative integer, answer is negative. Negative integer multiplied by positive integer, answer is negative. And last, negative integer multiplied by negative integer, answer is positive. These are the basic rule for multiplication. Now we move forward. There are some properties of multiplication. Just like in last class you learn addition and subtraction, both properties we learn in last class. Now in this year we solve some examples for multiplication. We see various properties of multiplication one by one. See, first property is closure property. Closure property if a and b are integers, then if a and b are integers, then a into b, then a into b and also integer. देखो यहाँ पे अगर हम दो इंटीजर्स लेते हैं जैसे a एंड b और इनका मल्टीप्लिकेशन करते हैं तो हमें आंसर भी इंटीजर ही मिलेगा, जैसे कि 4 इंटू 2 लिया हमने तो आंसर आया 8। ये थी क्लोजर प्रॉपर्टी। और एक एग्जांपल देखेंगे, ये तो हो गया पॉजिटिव इंटीजर। अब निगेटिव इंटीजर लेके देखेंगे, -4 इंटू -2, -4 इंटू -2 +8। ये थी क्लोजर प्रॉपर्टी। नेक्स्ट प्रॉपर्टी इज कम्यूटेटिव प्रॉपर्टी। कम्यूटेटिव प्रॉपर्टी, commutative property, if a and b are integer, again we take a and b, both two integers. Here if we multiply a into b or b into a, that time we get same answer. How? See here, 3 into 4 equals to 4 3s are 12. Here 4 into 3, 4 3s are 12. Both time we get answer same. Okay, this is commutative property. It means when we multiply two integers in any order, that time we get answer same. Third property is associative property. Associative property, associative property. In associative property, then there are three integers like a, b and c. When we multiply these three integers in any order, like a into b in group, again into c, or c into a into b. See, we take a as a 3, b as 2 and c as 4 equals to, here also c as 4 into 3 into 2. See, first we solve bracket, 3 2s are 6 into 4 equals to 4 3s are 12 into 2. 6 4s are 24 and 12 2s are 24. It means when we multiply any three digit in any order, that time we get answer same. Next property is identity property. Identity property, if a is an integer and we multiply a into 1, that time we get answer a. It means we multiply any integer into 1 or 1 into any integer, we get answer same both time. Okay, if we take 4 or we take 3 into 1 or 1 into 3, both time answer is 3. Okay, this is identity property. Now next property is zero property. Zero property.